Hey guys, so here's your guys' homework on function composition, okay, numbers 1 through 18. So just like review for you guys, I thought this was a nice review for you guys to do your first day back from break. So with function combinations, you guys, all you guys gotta do is just follow like what operation you have to do. So for the first one, this one is g plus f of x, you guys. So what this translates to is g of x plus f of x. So you guys just add your two functions together. 3x minus 5 plus x squared plus 3. Combine like terms and you guys get x squared plus 3x. The only ones that combine, you guys, is the minus 5 and the plus 3 for minus 2. And that is that function. Number 2. This translates to being g of x minus f of x. So what you guys are doing is just subtracting the functions from each other. G of x function is negative x squared plus 5x minus the whole function of f of x, which is x minus 5. Don't forget to distribute this to both, so you guys get negative x squared plus 5x minus x plus 5, and then combine like terms, which are just those two. Negative x squared plus 4x plus 5. And that is going to be your guys' function for that problem. Let's get number 3. So 3, you guys, this is just your functions getting multiplied to each other. So g of x is 2x plus 3. H of x is x plus 4. So you guys got to do a double distribution. And you guys get 2x squared plus 8x plus 3x plus 12. And then just combine like terms, you guys, to get 11x. And that would be your guys' answer for that one. So the only other different one, okay, so we're gonna have to talk about this one. This, you guys, is a composition. And the way you guys rewrite this is f of g of t. So you have to find and substitute in for the g function, which is this, right? So f of negative 2t squared plus 5. Now, this tells you you have to plug this in into the f function. Everywhere you see t in the f function, it now becomes this, the negative 2t squared plus 5. That's what it means to plug in, right? So follow along. 3 times t. This is our new t now. Negative 2t squared plus 5 minus 5. Distribute the 3, you guys. You guys get negative 6t squared plus 15 minus 5. And that's how you guys get negative 6t squared plus 10. So the rest are just mimic comment or numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 are pretty much samples of those. So make sure you guys practice to see how you guys do with those types of problems, okay? And remember, the answers are on the back of this worksheet or at the bottom if you guys scroll down. So those are with variables. Now you guys, let's try ones where it has numbers, right? So for number 10, this is another f of 4 plus g of 4. So basically, you guys add these functions together, but now you plug in 4 into each of the functions. If you plug in 4 into here, you're going to get 4 squared minus 4. That's 16 minus 4 for 12. So f of 4 is 12. What's g of 4? We'll plug in 4 into the g function, you guys, and you guys get 4 plus 3, which is 7. So we have 12 plus 7, you guys, which is 19. So follow the operation, but since we're evaluating at a number, plug in that number into each function respectively. Let's try a minus 1, right? So this is f of negative 1, you guys, minus g of negative 1. So what does this mean? We got to plug in negative 1 into f and negative 1 into g. If you plug in negative 1 into here, you're going to get negative 1 squared minus negative 1. Negative 1 to the second, you guys, is 1. Negative 1, negative of negative 1, that's positive 1. So that's 2. So f of negative 1, you guys, is 2. But now we got to plug in for g. So minus, because it comes from here, right? Plug in negative 1 into g. If you plug in negative 1 into g, guys, negative 1 minus 2. That's negative 3. So g of negative 1 is negative 3. So a negative of negative 3, you guys, that's positive 3. So our answer for this one's going to be 5. Lots of minus signs in that one, right? For number 12, this is just a multiplication problem, you guys. So g of negative 2 times h of negative 2. So plug in negative 2 in for g and into h. Plug in negative 2. We get 2 times negative 2 minus 5, you guys. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4 minus 5. Negative 4 minus 5, negative 9. So g of negative 2 is negative 9. Now they do the same thing, but plug in 2 into h, right? Negative 2 minus 3. Negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. So negative 9 times negative 5, you guys, that's positive 45. Now for the last set, you guys, is a problem like this. Remember, this is function composition, so g of h of negative 1. Well, let's solve for h of negative 1 first. So plug in negative 1 into the h function. Negative 1 squared is 1. Negative 5 times negative 1 is positive 5. So h of negative 1, you guys, is 6. And then that forces us to have g of 6. What do we do with that? Plug in the 6 into the g function. 2 times 6 minus 4, 12 minus 4, 8. So g of 6 is 8. And that is your guys' answer. So practice those, you guys. The rest are just pretty much what I just did for you guys. And again, check your answers at the bottom here. Okay? Good luck, you guys. Peace.